Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SmartThings app to troubleshoot Zigbee pairing failures step by step clearly. Begin by checking your device's compatibility with the SmartThings app. Open the App Store if you are using an iOS device. Search for SmartThings in the App Store search bar. Locate the SmartThings app developed by Samsung Electronics. Tap the Get button to start the download process. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. Search for SmartThings in the search field. Find the SmartThings app in the search results. Tap the Install button to download the app. Once the download is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen. Open the SmartThings app by tapping its icon. You may need to sign in with your Samsung account or create a new one if prompted. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose device from the options that appear. Now select Zigbee as the type of device you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your Zigbee device is in pairing mode. If you're experiencing pairing failures, double-check that your Zigbee device is powered on. Make sure it's within range of your SmartThings hub. If the device still won't connect, try resetting it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Return to the SmartThings app once the reset is complete. Attempt the pairing process again by tapping Add Device. Follow all prompts to reinitiate the connection. If issues persist, consider consulting the app's help section for troubleshooting tips. You can also visit the manufacturer's website for specific support related to your Zigbee device. Continue the troubleshooting process until your device is successfully connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.